Bitcoin is currently creating a bearish divergence here on the 1 hourly candles, what could be leading towards lower price targets getting reached here. As well, Bitcoin is currently creating a symmetrical triangle, what could be signifying that we're going to see a 20% move either towards the upside or towards the downside. As well, Bitcoin is currently retesting exactly our resistance line, what was of course previously acting as support on the 12 hourly candles. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up these likes on this video. Let's go for 250 likes. It would be very amazing if we can reach it. As well, if you haven't already, make sure to already subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notifications so you're not going to miss out on any of these further updates here on the channel. And with that out of the way, let's go right away into the video and let's start off discussing the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles, where we are currently, of course, seeing a bearish divergence getting created here. So I like to look and, of course, I like to trade on divergence. And currently, Bitcoin is creating a lower high here on the price section, but a higher high here on the RSI, resulting in a hidden bearish divergence, what could be, of course, potentially lead towards lower targets getting reached here. And since we have been as well been in a beautiful downtrend here, because it's very important to identify the trend where you're in to determine if you want to be looking at for longs and shorts. And currently you can see over here lower high getting formed, lower high getting formed, lower high getting formed, lower high getting formed. Most likely, of course, we can be potentially invalidated, but for now on, the trend is your friend till it ends here. As well, low getting formed, lower low getting formed here. So we are currently for sure in a downtrend here, and I want to be trading the trend as long it is respecting me. So what I should be looking out for right now is rather shorts than longs. Even though I don't really like trading short in Bitcoin, I do think that we're right now getting a pretty good risk to reward setup here. And for sure, if I'm going to open my position, I will be announcing every single piece here on my Twitter page at Rover CRC. So make sure to already follow it. I've been already posting some updates about the Bitcoin bearish divergence that we're currently creating, but I will be as well opening most likely a short in a second here on my Bitcoin trading account here on Bybit. So you can as well sign up with the link in the description to get approximately a $2,000 deposit bonus here on Bybit. So it would be amazing if you're going to do so, because this is going to be once again a very significant and very easy trade that I will be taking here. So we'll be looking forward towards that one already, and it can be, of course, lead towards maybe another price surge, and I do expect the lower lows are getting created here, so maybe another price surge towards the downside of maybe 6 to 8%, what could be leading, of course, to a 60% trade if you're using a 10x leverage. So it's definitely a very, very nice one, because I see a lot of indications right now coming in here telling me the market is going to reverse. So first of all, you're seeing the MACD having a bearish crossover. Second of all, you're seeing a higher high here over here getting created here on the price chart. Over here, higher high getting created here, lower high getting created here on the MACD, as well, giving us a MACD divergence. The MACD is giving us a signal that the buyers are getting exhausted and that we can be running in towards some more selling pressure. And since, of course, this trend has been very clear towards the downside, I do want to be trading the trend here. So yeah, looking really forward to how we towards how we can be trading this. Maybe potentially we can be finding some support on this upper sloping support line that we're going to create here. What could be, of course, resulting in maybe a price surge or a price correction here on the 1 hourly candles, because yeah, we are right now basically running in towards an apex where we can be maybe potentially see the market choosing a direction either towards the upside or towards the downside, and this could be maybe for sure a very beautiful trade here. What could be maybe potentially push up Bitcoin towards 36k, or maybe potentially towards the 31.5k. So yeah, it's going to be for sure a very exciting pattern that we are right now unfolding as well. Let me go real quickly into the 4 hourly candles. Since in the 4 hourly candles, guys, we are seeing, of course, a beautiful symmetrical triangle once again getting created here. We are seeing a beautiful touch point over there, and also several touch points on the lower side. So approximately 5 touch points already on this resistance target. So for me, what will be the main indication of Bitcoin, shorting Bitcoin or longing Bitcoin, is as long as we're trading below this level, I will be looking for shorts. As soon as we're going to close a 4 hourly candle above this level, I will be no longer looking for shorts. I will be closing all my shorts. I will be not even looking at it anymore, because then we are breaking officially the downtrend on the 4 hourly candles. And if we're confirming the breakout of this trend on the 4 hourly candles on Bitcoin, we can be potentially, of course, look for higher prices, maybe towards the 40k or so. So looking forward towards that one already, and I can't wait to see how it will be resulting as well. If we're looking to this low over here, you can see from here on we have been creating a higher low, but since the previous low over here, clear lower low structure here. So I will be remaining pretty skeptical still here, since we are as well about to create a bearish divergence here on the RSI. And if I'm enabling the MACD, guys, I'm seeing some very interesting things here right now on Bitcoin, because if I'm enabling the MACD, I am seeing once again a very big sell signal coming in here, since I'm seeing over here a higher high getting created here on the MACD, but if we're looking to the price chart, we're seeing a lower high getting created here. So once again, MACD divergence on the 4 hourly candles. Is this not significant enough for you? For me, I mean, I do see a lot of signals for a trend reversal, and you have to know it. I'm a huge bull here in the market. I'm a huge crypto bull. I am a huge lover of Bitcoin, etc. But I will be trading Bitcoin every single direction where it's heading towards, and I do believe that 30K is the bottom, but we can be potentially go for another retest of it. And would I be got it if we're going to see another retest of 30K? No, for sure not. It are once again more opportunities that you are getting. And the more opportunities that you are getting, the more profitable you will become as well here. And as well, especially if you're a trader like me, you want to see volatility and you want to be seeing Bitcoin touching the 30K. Since it is, of course, such a strong level of support, you can be easily making a very quick gains, of course, if we're going to touch the level. So looking forward towards that. I do expect that we can maybe see some kind of a fake up, but I personally do expect that Bitcoin, this cool period that we're currently in here, to be over anytime soon here, and we can maybe go for fake up towards the downside, and after that move up here. And usually once Bitcoin is reversing a trend here, it first fakes out all the longs, and after that it goes up. And I mean, it will be very, very likely to see so, because we are currently seeing a lot of bearish structures unfold here on the MACD, on the RSI, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. I do expect at least a minor move towards the downs getting created here. Of course, if we're going to invalidate it, we're breaking the downtrend, and I will be for sure looking for longs. But as long as, like I told you before, as long as we're trading below this level, I will be remaining pretty bearish. So as well, if you're enabling the email ribbon, you can see we're right now trading above it once again here on the 4 hourly candles. We're basically trading against it. We can still get a rejection from it. This is basically a key decision point that we're right now trading on. So let's see how this will be reacting. Personally, I do see, of course, still a lot of rejections coming in from the email ribbon. This could be leading, of course, to the prices searching a little bit towards the lower side here. If this 4 hourly candle closes above it, this could be, of course, meaning that we're going to at least find some support on the email ribbon. What is, of course, quite a bullish signal here. So let me as well go into the 12 hourly candles before closing of this video. Make sure to check this out here, because the 12 hourly candles here, as in a triangle, we have been looking at this one already, and we have been looking at this important support line over here. You can see support, and since trading below it right now, you can see it is providing us resistance like expected. So this is once again as well giving you a short opportunity, of course, on the 34.2K. I would have been opening my short position. Right now we'll be still reevaluating. 34.2K will be the major and, of course, the best accumulation zone for a short for sure. But yeah, we'll be giving you guys some more insights about where I will be opening my shorts on Twitter. So make sure to already keep your eyes out on it. Probably once this video is live here, I already dropped the setup over here. So make sure to already check it out here at Rover CRC on Twitter. And make sure to right away as well hit that follow button, since we're heading towards the 10,000 followers over here. So yeah, looking forward towards this one. This gives us a clear rejection signal, and to be very honest, if we're going to look at a price target, of course, you can be, in my opinion, most likely looking towards the 30.1K here. I mean, yeah, you can see that it is going to give us a price target around the 29.6K. But personally, I do want to be approaching the 30.1K as my main accumulation level, as my first accumulation level, because I like to, of course, once I'm entering trades here on these significant drop-offs around the 30K especially, we can be seeing a lot of volatility. So there's a potential scenario that you're getting shaked out, and after that we move up here. So 30.1K will be my entry price. After that, I will be adding some more levels here. If we're falling further, I will be adding more, because in the end of the day, I do expect the price to rise a little bit here. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And yeah, for sure, like I have been mentioning several times here, this is once again a pretty bearish structure that we're seeing, and 30.1K will be my main accumulation. So guys, thank you so much for watching again to this amazing video here on the channel. Make sure to share it with your friends if you do think it's very, very valuable information, since we have been, of course, spotting this bearish divergence here on the 1 hourly candles. What are probably not a lot of people are paying attention to, and I mean, I'm giving you guys as well these short as I'm giving you guys short and long signals, and right now I don't want to be trading the right way for Bitcoin. I don't want to be saying Bitcoin is going to the upside, so I long it and the price goes lower, because I personally do expect really the price to surge a little bit towards the downside since seeing the signals coming in here. So guys, make sure to be prepared here, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.